You're welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to check your Gmail linked to your eFootball. So guys, let's dive right into the video. Looking here on the screen is my eFootball app. So the first step you need to take is to go to your eFootball app like this. Tap on the screen in order to see the home page on your eFootball. So when you click on that, looking here on the screen, you're going to see extras. So you need to go ahead and click on extras like this. So when you click on extras like this, you're going to see the option of support. So right here, you need to go ahead and click on support like this. When you do that, you're going to be able to see the option of link data. So you need to go ahead and click on the option of link data like this. When you do that, looking here, you can see Google Play and you can see Konami. So it actually shows here that I've been able to link my Google Play and also my Konami ID. So in order for you to view your Gmail, you need to go ahead and click on view link data. You can see the option right there. So when you do that, it is going to take you to your browser and direct you to your Konami ID, where you are going to be able to see your Gmail linked to your eFootball. So this is how simple it is to see your Gmail linked to your eFootball. Now I hope you find this guide helpful. Now for more tutorials like this, hit the like button and subscribe to this channel. Tell me in the comment section if you want any more tutorials. I'm going to make them for you. See you in the next one.